Miami is like a bridge between Latin America and the United States. I am Tomás Raúl Vicente, also known as TRV. I am the CFO and co-founder of Nideport. That is a company that will restore highly degraded forests for compensating the footprint of global 500 companies. We realized that restoring the forest and selling carbon credits was the best way of making a business, for making scalable the action of saving the world. We are super thankful with Manatech that give us that opportunity of coming here and having the possibility of scaling our business from Miami. So from Miami to the rest of the world. What I find super valuable from Manatech program is that in a super intense week, you can find all the tools that you need for turning from a startup and to be ready for scaling your business. Not only the connection and the network with investors and with your peers, but also the connection and the talks that you can assist to for understanding the different aspects that you need to improve for becoming a big company.